Good afternoon, everybody. Hopefully everybody's having a good day today. This video, we're going to be talking about just a few examples of creating two-dimensional figures, and then we're going to have a couple examples talking about triangles and determining traits of triangles given other attributes. First, let's start off by drawing a 5x3 rectangle. 5x3 rectangle, rectangles of course, length times width. So I need to make a rectangle that is 3 units deep and then 5 units long. Start over here. 3 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's try one more here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we go 3 deep. So there's an example of a 3x5 rectangle. Total area of this would be 15 units, 3 times 5. Okay, on this one, we're going to do a parallelogram with a height of 3. Parallelogram with a height of 3. If you remember, parallelograms have 2 pairs of parallel sides. So we can make this a couple of ways. Put one parallel side there, another parallel side there. Now please note, so far I'm making this that is 3 units high. 3 units high. Just need to connect the other sides, top and bottom. There we go, and there's our parallelogram. Please note the parallel sides. This side is parallel to this side is parallel to this side, and we are 3 units high. Alright, this one we're going to draw a right triangle with a height of 5 and a one leg that is 3 units long. So I'm going to start in the corner here. And I'm going to go start here and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. There's my height of 5 units. And I'm going to go 3 units this way. 1, 2, 3. Then to make the right triangle, I need to connect them right there. And please note the right angle here. That guarantees that it's a right triangle. And notice the dimensions. 5 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 3 across for the other leg. Alright, on this one, we're going to create triangle ABC. Now, I don't know exactly what type of triangle it is, what it looks like. I'm just going to draw a generic one, like this. And we call it triangle ABC. So let's call this angle A, call this angle B, this angle C. Now I didn't draw this to scale, it's just a generic triangle. We know angle A is 80 and angle B is 50. Now a triangle has to add up to 180 degrees, so my missing angle here has to be 50. 50 plus 50 is 100, 100 plus 80 is 180. Alright, and what else do they tell us? They tell us that side AB is 6 centimeters. AB is 6 centimeters. Now, the thing about triangles is, if you notice, the opposite sides correspond to the angle. So angle C would correspond to side AB here. And angle B, this is angle B, it would correspond to side AC. And the question's asking, well, what is AC? Since angle C is 50, and it has an opposite side of 6, angle B is also 50, it then would also have an opposite side of 6. So AC would have to be 6 centimeters, just like AB. Alright, another one. Another triangle. And we're going to label the parts again ABC. So we have angles ABC. Let's label what we know. They say that angle A is 60 degrees. They say that AB is 3 inches. That's AB right here. And AC is 3 inches. Alright, well, how can we determine those other angles? And the question is, which statement is true? They are asking about this BC sides. It says the length of BC cannot be measured. We'll see about that. But the rest of the choices, BC is either 3, 4, or 5. Now, angles of a triangle have to add up to 180. These two angles here will have to add up to 120 because 120 plus 60 is 180. But notice the sides. AC is 3, AB is 3. Since these two sides are exactly the same, these two angles will have to be exactly the same. Because remember, the opposite sides on a triangle correspond to opposite angle. So this angle is going to be this, has this side, but it has to be the same as this angle because I know the two sides are the same. Well, they have to add up to 120. Let's go ahead and divide 120 by 2 and get 60. 60 and 60. And as you can see, 60 plus 60 plus 60 equals 180. And since all three angles are 60, they have opposite sides that will have to be all the same as well. Side CB also has to be 3, just like the other two sides. That would be this choice here. Alright, that's it for our constructions of 2D objects and a couple examples discussing triangles. Thank you for watching.